Rachel's routines. Learning to brush your teeth. Hello, friend. Today we'll learn how to brush your teeth. Let's begin. Pick up your toothbrush. Tap, tap, tap. Squeeze a small dot of toothpaste. Plop. Turn on the water. Shh, shh, shh. Brush your top teeth. Swish, swish, swish. Brush your bottom teeth. Swish, 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 swish. Brush the teeth in the back. Scrub, 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 scrub. Don't forget your tongue. Swipe, swipe. Spit in the sink. Patoo! Rinse your mouth. Swish, 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 swish. Rinse your toothbrush. Shh. Put it away. Click. All done. Your smile is clean and ready. This is how we take care of ourselves. Great job! Now go ahead and visit our page for more Big Kid routines. Bye-bye!